5.
Okay, let me describe to you. Here's the machine. Never used it before. I just plugged everything in. I didn't touch any knobs or anything. That's a foot switch, which I'm going to use with my elbow or my finger. That starts it to pulse. This is the working end. Those two prongs will be pressed against this stuff. It's a nickel plated steel ribbon, and we're going to weld it to the top, and we're going to weld it to the bottom. And I have a pair of Swiss Army knife, which is adequate for cutting it. I think that's about the right length.
I'd make it double that, and then we can always cut it later. Yeah.
Okay. So let's do the hard end first. And do you want it centered, or do you want it at one end?
Centered.
Centered. Okay. So while I don't mind me while I fumble.
Oh, I see what you meant. Centered. No, one end on that.
One end. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, I wasn't sure what you meant.
Okay, there's it's spring loaded, so you can press down, get good contact.
Hang on, let me make people sick. Well, I just wanted to zoom in here. Okay, go ahead.
The big buildup. Sorry about that. Do this again. It's such a small button on the end of this cell. It's hard to keep it. Oh, it's not on.
That was exciting.
It was. It's because it wasn't square on the button. Look at that, I actually chopped it in two.
Too much power. Now you have to adjust it.
Not enough power in the spot that I needed it, because I was off the edge. Let me put my fingernail on it. Okay, can I get you to...
Here we go. Ready?
Yep. Welded my thumb on it. Okay, that's pretty good. And I'm going to do it a second time, so we get more than just 2 points of contact. Okay. Oops.
Sure.
It's pretty good.
Okay. Cool.
So now we do the other end.